Hey guys, today I have a package from the internet sellers Squishie and Random. I will put their link in the description box so you can check out their store envy site. And here is a little sneak peek at what's inside. So there are only a few items in this box, but it came all the way from Singapore and I couldn't find these items anywhere else, so I decided to place an order. There's a few things in here. Interesting.
Here is a chewy ice cream and it's squishy.
Yeah, it's wrapped inside a crate. It looks so realistic. Sorry, I was surprised for a bit because I mentioned I only ordered a few items, but they included a bunch of extras.
And there is 2 Twozies in the plastic.
So I've never seen this squishy before. It says Moncherie crepe. And this paper comes off. And it's pretty squishy. It's actually pretty fast rising, but it is pretty squishy. And look at the detail. Like, that looks so yummy. Wouldn't you want to eat that?
Yeah.
That looks delicious. Thank you so much for this extra. It's amazing.
Ooh, it's cute. It looks like a little bracelet.
Yeah, it's a little charm. It says Pico and Poco. That's so cute. It says congratulations. And she's wearing a little kimono. And it's that Pico-chan, I think, character. I've seen some squishies with her face on it. Isn't that so cute?
Yeah.
That's such a unique extra. So here's the last extra they provided.
Ooh, it's a croissant.
It looks like it's a cream puff.
Ooh.
Look how realistic that looks. My goodness.
I see.
Can I see? It's
So when you squish it, some like the powder comes
yeah,
off.
it's really powdery. Look, it looks just like powdered sugar. And it's inside. Not sure if it's glued. Yeah, I think it's glued to this paper. It's glued to this paper. So, like, look how realistic that looks. Like, if you saw that, it's like a croissant with the cream inside. If you saw that on a plate, wouldn't you just think it was a real one?
Yeah.
It looks so real.
I will just eat it.
I don't want to squish it too much because I don't want all the powder to fall off, but it's actually really, really soft.
Chain.
It has a keychain.
Stuck to the icing.
Yeah, that's a really big keychain.
The icing is actually hard.
Yeah, the icing's hard. I just can't get over how real it looks. That's so amazing. Thank you so much for these. These are so nice. Okay, now on to the stuff I actually ordered. I'm so impressed with the amount of extras they provided. That is so amazing. So, here are the squishies that I ordered.
The squishy bun.
So these are actually non-resealable packaging, which I usually don't love, but these are just so adorable. So there's a rainbow
Panda.
bear bun.
Ooh, and next is a bunny.
There's a pink rabbit bun. And like with these, the packaging is kind of what makes them extra cute. So I'm definitely going to keep them in the packaging.
And here's looks like a tail.
There's a cat. And aren't they like super soft? They're just like real bread. These are by JDream.
I don't see like the eyes and stuff are not actually on it. They just like put it.
Yeah, it's just part of the packaging. So it says animal fua bread. And yeah, I'm pretty sure these are by JDream, but they're actually a little bit dense, but they kind of like feel like maybe like a thick cake-like bread. Which one's your favorite?
My favorite is this squishy bunny.
Like the bunny? I really like the rainbow bear, but they're all really cute. So here is the last item that we ordered. Oh, it's upside down. Can you tell what it is?
It's sushi?
It's a bowl of soup. And it looks really cool. Can't wait to see what it looks like inside. So this was actually packaged up really nicely in a box. So this box is like undented.
So that's the top of the bowl and here's the bottom.
Ooh, look at all that stuff. It's got like a shrimp and the soup, and it's got like, looks like a mushroom and maybe some carrots and some leaves, like some lettuce or something. And then yeah, it fits on top. Should we get this out of packaging?
Yeah. Our soup is served.
Can you open it? Wow! Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
It's just like if you like ordered it at a restaurant and then they bring you the soup. And then it's got the little lid on top. And even the lid is squishy. Oops. It's not like super
Squishy.
It's not super squishy, but
It's not like really hard.
yeah, it is soft. But it's not like super slow rising. It has a really fast pop up. So this is by Mother Garden, and isn't it just so detailed?
Yeah.
I've never seen a squishy like this before. It is so cool. I really like it. Do you like it?
Yeah.
So cool. So that is our first squishy package from Squishy and Random on Instagram. Once again, I will link them in the description box. I'm really impressed with this first order. I really loved everything. Everything, you know, came pretty quickly considering it came all the way from Singapore to Canada. And everything's really high quality. The extras are amazing. Which squishy did you like the best?
I like the ones that are not resealable. They're squishy though.
You like the little bears and the bunny breads? I love those too. And I love the bowl of soup. I love the ice cream extra, and like the little cream puff extra is amazing. Like all this stuff is so cool. So definitely go check them out. They have a lot of squishies and items that you won't see anywhere else.
Stay watching this video.
If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe. And if you're already subscribed, please turn on that notification bell. We have tons more squishy videos coming up, and we don't want you to miss any of them.
Bye.
Bye!